In this case, you check the whole bike. And how to do that, I'm just going to show you right now. Hi, my name is Matt. I'm one of the bike guides at agency Bikegalaxy. So today, in this episode, we're going to talk about how to check your bike before you go for a ride. Normally, when we try to teach our clients how to check the bike, we use the simple trick. It's called letter M. So we normally start with to draw the letter M up towards the handlebar, then you go back down to the bottom bracket, you go up to the saddle, and then you return back to the rear hub. So normally we start with the forks. Some of you have a quick release on the forks. Please check the quick release. If the quick release is nice and tight, it should be tight as that you need a little bit of attention to close it down. If it's too loose, then just try to figure it out how you should fix that. Then you check the play in the front hub. There's none. That's okay, perfect. Then what you're gonna do later, next step, is to check all the spokes. All the spokes on both sides should be nice and firm. If there's one of the spokes or two spokes are loose, please tie them up or take them to the mechanic so they can do that. Then on the other side you have a caliper, the brake caliper. Please check if it's tight, and of course in the same time then you just check if everything runs smooth. Okay, that's okay. For now the front wheel is fine and the brakes as well. So next step, you're slowly moving up. You're gonna check if the suspension is working. Okay, the suspension is working. Of course, the rebound and the compression, that's up to your personal preferences. The next step, it's a headset. So the headset should be nice and firm, no play. So check it like this. Squeeze the front brake to stop it, or lean it against the wall and then just try to move it forward. Try to check it on the top and also on the bottom. If there's no play, you're safe to go. Check the handlebar. If the handlebar and the stem are nice and firm, this is okay. It's not moving left or right, it's all good. My grips are fine, everything is okay. Brakes are working, yeah. Brake levers are okay. The controls are fine. That's all right. I don't have the front derailleur, so just to check the rear derailleur if everything's working. The shifter is working. Cool. Then we go slowly down to the crank. We grab the cranks and we try to move the bottom bracket left and right. If it's fine, then it's working. It's tight and firm. So the chain holder, it's okay. There's no play in the rear suspension. It's okay, everything's fine, good. So what I need to do also is check my remote seat post. Okay, everything's working, good, that's all right. So now I'm moving down, back down, following the principle of letter M. So now I'm going down towards the rear wheel. So first spokes, yeah, spokes are fine. There's no play in the rear hub. Spokes on this side are fine. The rear brake caliper, it's okay. The rear cassette, all good. The rear derailleur, it's all right, nice and firm. Good. I guess that my bike is okay, and I can go for a ride safer than before. Now in these days, it's very important to ride the bike safe. So this is one of the options, how you're gonna check the bike very fast, and then you will go for a ride on your favorite trail. So go for it.